The ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO U2 Pro is a versatile robot vacuum cleaner designed to simplify regular home cleaning by combining vacuuming and mopping capabilities in a single device. It is aimed at users who want a more convenient way to maintain clean floors without having to manually sweep and mop every day. The device offers a practical cleaning solution for homes with different types of hard flooring, helping remove everyday dust, dirt, food particles, and pet hair. Its combination of automated vacuuming and mopping makes it a useful choice for people with busy schedules who still want their living spaces to remain tidy. One of the notable aspects of the DEEBOT OZMO U2 Pro is its ability to provide regular maintenance cleaning with minimal effort from the user. Once set up, it can move around the home and perform cleaning tasks automatically, reducing the need for frequent manual intervention. The vacuum function is designed to pick up common household debris effectively, while the mopping feature helps remove light marks and surface-level dirt from floors. For daily cleaning routines, this combination can be convenient and time-saving. The design of the robot is sleek and compact, allowing it to access areas under furniture, beds, and other hard-to-reach spaces where dust often collects. Its low-profile build helps it navigate through different parts of the home, making it suitable for apartments, small houses, and medium-sized living spaces. The automated cleaning modes and scheduling features allow users to customize cleaning times according to their routine, which can be helpful for maintaining consistent floor cleanliness. For households with pets, the DEEBOT OZMO U2 Pro can be a useful addition because it is designed to handle pet hair and everyday messes. Regular automated cleaning can help reduce the buildup of fur and dust, especially in homes where floors require frequent attention. However, users should keep expectations realistic, as robot vacuums are generally intended for maintenance cleaning rather than completely replacing deep cleaning sessions. The mopping performance is suitable for light cleaning tasks such as removing dust, small marks, and general floor residue. However, it may not be as effective for stubborn stains, dried spills, or areas requiring strong scrubbing. Users who need intensive cleaning may still prefer traditional mopping occasionally. The device works best when used as part of a regular cleaning routine rather than as the only cleaning method. While the DEEBOT OZMO U2 Pro provides many useful features, it also has some limitations. Compared with more advanced robot vacuum models, it may have fewer premium navigation features and may not always create the most efficient cleaning path in complex home layouts. In rooms with many obstacles, cables, or multiple areas, some supervision may be needed to ensure the best results. Battery performance can also vary depending on cleaning settings, floor conditions, and the size of the area being cleaned.